Students, the last point of fifth page is sublimation. In case of sublimation, on heating, a sublimable solid means the solid which can be changed into gas directly, that is known as sublimable substance. For example, ammonium chloride. There are some more examples like iodine, like camphor. In this case, the interparticle attraction is low. Why? Because these are solid, and these sublimable solids have very low force of attraction between their particles. Even they are solid, but their force of attraction is very low. In particle attraction is overcome. In interparticle attraction is overcome when we heat any solid substance which have capability to convert from solid to gas directly. On providing heat, the interparticle attraction is overcome. The attraction which hold these particles easily break down on heating, and due to this process, on heating, a sublimable solid, the interparticle attraction is overcome. The molecules break free, escape from the surface of the solid directly into vapor. Means, according to kinetic theory of matter, these things will take place in case of sublimation. Sublimation is a process in which there is a direct change from solid to gas or vapor on heating, or there is a direct change from gas or vapor to solid on cooling. So such process is known as sublimation.